students. So chapter 4 division we are doing. So yesterday we have done problems from your practice book. So today we are doing problem from your course book. Okay, course book, and let's try 5 word problems. Today we will discuss and we will solve. So watch the video carefully so that you can solve these problems in your notebook. This let's try 5, solve the following questions in your notebook. Yes, so these all problems you have to do in notebook, and in today's video I am going to explain these all problems. So watch it carefully, so it will be helpful for you to solve these. Let's try 5 questions. So let's start. This is your course book. Yes, and the page number is 72. 72 page number course book, and the let's try 5 I am doing. So what is your first problem? So let's read with me. What is your first problem? Alka has 495 photographs to put in an album. She can put 9 photographs on each page. How many pages can she fill? So in simple way they have given the total photographs. How many total photographs Alka has? She has 490 photographs, and there is one album. Yes, if I am making one album here, she has one album. Many sheets are there in this album. This is the one sheet and the other sheet, like this. So she can put 9 photos on one page. On one page she can put only 9 photos. Yes, this is the album which Alka has, and she can put only 9 photos on one page. This is a one page. So but she has to put 495 photos. So how many sheets she will use to put 495 photos? So to solve this, what we have to do? We have to divide these 495 photos equally in 9 parts, because in each sheet we are pasting only 9 pictures. Okay, so this number we have to equally divide it by 9. So what we will do? 495 divided by 9. So solve this. Division you have to do on your own. I will explain the problem, what is the problem and what you have to do in the problem. So let's see the next one. So let's see the second number. Question second, just read it. A lady paid rupee 900 for 15 cans of a cold drink. How much did she pay for each can? Yes. So what they have given? The cost of 15 cold drink cans. The price of 15 cold drink cans is 900 rupees. The price of 15 cans is 900. So they are asking what will be the price for one can. So the one condition, if we have to divide equally, that time we have to do division. The second condition is if they have given the price of 15 can and the same thing they are asking for one object. Okay, so that time also we have to do division. They have given for 15 cans and now they are asking for the one can, the similar can, cold drink can. Yes. So if they have given for more and they are asking for one thing, so it means we have to do division. So 900 divided by 15. Clear? See the question number 3. A satellite made 496 orbits around the earth in the month of January. How many orbits did it make each day if equal number of orbits were made each day? Yes, first understand the question what they have given us. Yes, so they are saying one satellite, this is, you know what is the orbit? See, this is the earth and the satellite is making orbit. Yes, these are orbit, means 1 round, 2 round, 3 round. These rounds are called orbit. So in January month, how many days are there in January month? 31 days. So in 31 days orbits made by a satellite, means in January January month, or you can say 31 days. These are both the similar things. January month or 31 days. Yes. So in January, orbit made by a satellite means the satellite took 31 days to make 496 orbits. Yes, she has made like one orbit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. The satellite has made 496 orbits. And how many days he took to make 496 round or orbit? It took 31 days, means January month, complete January month. So in January month we have 31 days. So in 31 days she has made 496 orbit. Now they have given one condition also in the question, that look here, if equal number of orbit were made each day, means in each day she has made equal number of orbit. So now they are asking for 1 day orbit made by a satellite. So what we will do, we have orbit for 31 days. Now they are asking orbit for 1 day. So easily you can do. I told you, when they have given us for more and the same thing they are asking for 1, so that time you have to do division. So in 31 days 496 orbits. So how many she has made in 1 day? So 1 day she will make 496 divided by 31. Clear? So now let's do the next problem. Question number 4 I am doing here. What is the least number of bags needed to hold 381 kilograms of rice? If each bag holds 50 kilograms, how many more kilograms are needed to fill all the bags? So now look here what they have given us. Total rice, how many total rice is there? 381 kilogram rice is there. And one bag hold. In one bag how many rice can come? 50 kg only. Yes. Total we have this much of kilogram total rice. In one bag only 50 kg rice can come. So number of bags to hold 381 kg rice. So for 381 rice, how many bags we need? So we will divide this 381 by 50. So if when you will divide, so 7 will come here, 57 is a 350. Yes, and when you will do subtraction, so we have left over with 31 here. So what is our answer? 7 bags. That is the first answer, but they have asked two questions here. See, the first is what is the least number of bags needed to hold this? So what is the least number? 7 bags we need. And on the second question here, how many more kilograms are needed to fill all the bags? Means how many more kilograms we need so that all the bags fill. Means no remainder is there. So how many rice we can add here? So we will not, that time will not get any remainder here. So if you will add 19 here in 381, if you will add 19, so you will get 400. So 400 is completely divisible by 50. Yes. So the answer for the second one is 19. More rice added to 381 kg to fill all the bags is 19 kg. Means हमें अगर उस राइस में ये जो टोटल राइस थे इसमें हमें कितना और ऐड करना पड़ेगा? 19 kg और उसमें ऐड करना पड़ेगा जिससे कि हमारे सारे बैग्स कंप्लीटली फिल हो जाएंगे. ओके, कोई राइस लेफ्ट ओवर नहीं रहेगा. All the bags will be filled completely. Clear this one? Again I am explaining. They have asked two questions here. What is the, see here, what is the least number of bag needed to hold? This is the first question. Means how many bags we need to hold 381 kg rice. And what is the second question? How many more kilograms are needed to fill all the bags? Yes. So first, total rice we have this. In one bag how many rice can come? 50 kg rice. So how many numbers of bag we need to fill 381? When you will divide, so you have remainder with 31. Means few rice are left. After filling the 7 bags, few rice are left. Yes, few rice are left here. After filling the 7 bags, and each bag we are filling 50 kg. So we need 7 bags. But after filling the 7 bags, few rice are left here. So they are asking that how many rice we need to add in this rice so we can fill rice completely in all bags. So how many we will need to add here to make it complete, so that the remainder should be not come here. The remainder will not come. So we will add 19 kg. If you will add 381 plus 19, so you will get 400. 400 is completely divisible by 50. So when you will divide 400 by 50, so there is no remainder. Yes, remainder नहीं आएगा, कोई भी rice left over नहीं रहेगा. So this time we need 8 bags. Okay. Total rice हमें कितना उसमें add करना पड़ेगा? 19 kg rice add करना पड़ेगा. और कितने bags चाहिए होंगे फिर हमें? 1 more bag we need. That time we are using 7 bag, but if you are adding 19 kg here, so you need 8 bags. Clear? Now it is clear to you all? Now question number 5. 256 birds flew into Memi Bird Sanctuary and sat on 4 trees equally. How many birds on each tree? So they have given us that the birds sat on 4 trees. Yes, on 4 trees how many birds is sitting? 256. Now they are asking the birds on 1 tree. So for more they have given us and they are asking for 1. So that time we have to do division. So you will divide 256 by 4. Clear to you all now? Yes, simple thing. They have given us that the birds sitting on 4 tree. The birds are on 4 tree is equal to 256, and now they are asking the birds for 1 tree. So if they are asking for 1, so that time we have to do division. So this is all about the today. So this is your homework, that in your notebook you have to do word problems of let's try 5. This is your today's homework. So bye bye to you all. Take care yourself.